press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Friends, once again welcome to our YouTube channel Pratik'sBiology. This is our fourth part of human health and disease chapter. For previous videos, you can check the description box to get the link and watch that full video. In this video, we are going to discuss about malaria, its causes, its symptoms and its treatment. So let's have a quick look on our video without wasting our time. There are totally 4 types of the plasmodium which causes a malaria, in which plasmodium falciparum, which you can see in this screen, is the severe causes for malaria, and the another 3 are plasmodium ovale, plasmodium vivax and plasmodium malaria, which you can see on the left side of our screen. For the life cycle of malarial parasites or plasmodium, it involves 2 hosts. It includes human beings and female Anopheles mosquito. If the infected female Anopheles mosquito bites a healthy person and releases a sporocyte in RBCs or blood, it will result into malaria. Female Anopheles mosquito feed on the blood while the male mosquito feed on the plant sap. Therefore, it does not causes any disease or a malaria.
Now, before we talk about the symptoms and treatment of malaria, let us look at the life cycle of the malarial parasite. And which is the malarial parasite? It is Plasmodium. Now this is little interesting, the life cycle of Plasmodium. So if you see here, the life cycle of a Plasmodium, it involves 2 hosts. There is not a single host. So one host is human being and the other host is mosquito. So this malarial parasite has 2 hosts. And what are the 2 hosts? One is human and the other one is a mosquito. Now we will see how humans and mosquito act as host for Plasmodium. So this is how the life cycle of Plasmodium continues. So here if you see, let us suppose a mosquito bites an infected person. So a person who is already infected with malaria. So this Plasmodium bites an infected person. Now when it bites an infected person, what happens? It takes up, it bites, so it sucks in blood, and that is how it gets its food. So the mosquito is actually getting its food in the form of blood, but at the same time it is also taking up the gametocytes along with the blood. And what are these gametocytes? These gametocytes are the gametocytes of Plasmodium. So these gametocytes will also enter inside the body of the mosquito. Now what will happen inside the body of the mosquito? These gametocytes will form gametes. Gametes, we all know what are gametes. They are the sex cells, that is the male and the female sex cells. These gametocytes will produce the gametes, that is the sex cells, and then these gametes will undergo fusion and then they will form this ookinete, which will form the oocyst. So, and this entire process of fertilization and development will take place inside the body of the mosquito. So you can see that means the protozoa, that is the Plasmodium, is actually living inside the body of the mosquito. So you can say that mosquito is a host and the parasite is of course a parasite. Now once the oocyst is formed, what happens? Spores are released from this. Now what happens to these sporozoites which are released? Now what happens is this mosquito, the same mosquito, goes back and bites another person who is maybe a normal person who is not suffering from malaria. Now when it bites that person, these spores which are being produced inside the body of the mosquito, the spores are stored in the salivary gland of the mosquito. Now whenever the mosquito bites a normal person, what will happen? These spores will be released, and as a result the sporozoites will enter inside the body of the human being. Right? What will happen to the sporozoite once it enters the human body? Now, as soon as it enters the human body, it directly reaches the human liver. So first of all, it affects the liver. So the sporozoites reach here. Now these sporozoites will undergo asexual reproduction, so they will multiply in number. Now when their number becomes becomes too huge, the liver cells will start to burst. Now when the liver cells burst, what will happen? The content will be released in the blood. Now inside the liver is not one single cell. Liver is made up of many cells. Now let us suppose inside one cell of the liver you have these porozoites. Now these porozoites undergo asexual reproduction, so they keep on increasing in number, they multiply themselves. Now then it becomes so much that that particular liver cell will burst. Now when it bursts, what happens? The spores inside it, they get distributed or they get released in the bloodstream. Now as soon as they get released in the blood, now asexual reproduction will continue to take place in the red blood cell. So if you see here, this is how the asexual reproduction is taking place, where these are each red blood cell. So see, inside each red blood cell the asexual reproduction will happen.
The symptoms of malaria include the following, which have been shown on screen. For the best prevention of malaria, we can use insecticides, insect repellents, or by preventing mosquito bites. Malaria lay eggs on the contaminated or a standing water. If you consume that water, it might result into a malaria. For the best prevention is we must avoid the use of contaminated water. You can use gumbush fish or a mosquito fish for the digestion of a larva which has been released by mosquito in a lake or a nearby water reservoir. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Comment for any suggestion or queries.